Hey gang, Jesse here at EC Auto Repair. So, once upon a time, let's see, it was 11, 12, 13, 5 years ago, we went on a road trip to Idaho in my SUV, similar to this Land Rover, a different SUV, but we went on this road trip and we're on our way back home. And I had drove, and it came time that I just needed to pull over. I was too fatigued to drive anymore. So we pulled over, we got gas, my wife started driving, and we take off and we get like 4 miles down the road. And she hits a piece of debris that was in the road, and it was an instant flat tire. And we had already drove all night long. And so it was just like, you know, we was having a really good trip. We'd had a little bit of trouble going up there. Very similar situation. We hit some piece of debris in the road on the way up there. We had to have a flat fixed. We got to Idaho where we was going to, and then we're on our way back and we hit this other piece of debris on the same trip. And this time it put a hole in my tire like that big, like a little bit bigger than a quarter. And so I had to have somebody come out and help me because my tire was ruined. And so it was just a different turn of events for what was seemingly going to be a great road trip. I'd been up all night driving. I was ready for a nap. And there again, I just get in the position to go to sleep, and we're literally only 4 miles down the road and we have this blowout. So I'm curious, tell me about your activity on the road. What about the perfect trip and then all of a sudden things changed and it went differently than you anticipated? I want to hear about your trip. I'm sure there's some crazy stories out there. The other day like 3 days ago, I was driving down the road and pulled up on some people, and there was a semi truck and a car and another car, and all three of them had hit something in the road, and there was multiple flats involved. So that's what we call an unexpected, unfortunate turn of events. So I'm excited to hear from you. Let me know in the comments. Like, subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.